The students at Floral Design Institute are creating so many fabulous things with the summer blooms. Today, I want to share with you lilacs, peonies, and jasmine, all of my favorite things in a foam-free, fabulous design. Peonies and lilacs, that's the focus. The fragrant, wonderful early summer blooms. The mechanics, just using a large vessel pre-filled with flower food and water and nothing else. The mechanics for design are just a nest of foliages woven together. Think about basic floral design, part 1, how to do a weave of foliage to support your flowers. Then, just to add a little more beauty, taking hydrangea, giving it a cut, and setting it straight down into the water, using a vessel that holds lots of water because all of these are very thirsty blooms. And the hydrangea gives you even stronger base to support all your flowers. Lilacs have such woody stems. It's important to give it a strong break and even whittle a little bit to make sure that you've exposed enough of the raw wood for them to drink well. Then just slide them straight down in. Let them extend. Let their beauty show. Again, giving it a cut, whittle, and place it in. You can even weave it through the hydrangea a bit, bringing the color throughout. Peonies, just removing foliage, giving it a cut, and then sliding it in place, following a central binding point with everything. Adding additional beautiful blooms, a little bit of Scabiosa. Cutting it down to fit. And that lavender kind of picks up the blue from the hydrangea, carrying it up a little higher. Going to some intensity of the deep purple anemone. Again, letting it be a little bit taller, adding movement. Going back and adding the buds. Add a bit of grace. And then, for softness, jasmine vine. Letting it extend a little longer. It's so delicate. Coming out to the sides, making the entire arrangement just a little larger. The recipe, I started with the foliage weave base. You can use any varieties you like. As you can see, it just disappears underneath the flowers. Then I added 2 hydrangeas, 4 stems of lilacs that I broke apart, 5 peonies, 5 anemones, 6 Scabiosa, and about a quarter of a bunch of jasmine. Depends on the size of your bunch, but I used about a quarter to make this luxurious round bouquet. Late spring, early summer, such a fragrant time of the year. Lilacs, peonies, jasmine, all my favorite things. You'll find more inspiration, often featuring these blooms, on our website, flowerschool.com. Now it's your turn. It's time for you to gather all your favorite blooms and create an arrangement. Be sure to take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way I can see, and we all can see, what you do as you do something you love.